Let's change the differential fluid on a Dodge Dakota 2004 3.7 liter. So here's our differential. First thing I'm going to do is pull this plug and see if there's any fluid even in it. So this plug just pulls out just like that, and it looks like it's bone dry. So I'm going to be taking this cover off today, and plus I do want to paint the cover, so I might as well just get it over with. Alright, we got our fluid catch pan. Now we're ready to zip off our little 1/2-inch bolts. And now your pan should pull right off. Boom. Those are your dirty fluid. Now we're going to take it over, clean up these gasket mating surfaces, and refill her up. So here's what the gears look like up close. Little gear packs, pinions, fun stuff. So now you want to get your old gasket off, scrape it off just like that. I usually give it a light sand with about 3000 grit too, just to be safe. Nice light sand. Clean off our mating surfaces with brake cleaner. Now we're going to use Honda Bond for silicone liquid gasket. And then you just apply it on, thin bead all the way around. And now we just add a thin bead of silicone all the way around. Preferably on the inside of the holes, so there is no chance of leaking. Just like that. But I'm going to add more, just to be on the safe side. So I get my top bolt and my bottom bolt lined up, so I can easily throw in all the rest. Now we torque it down in the cross-fit pattern. So you remember that little plug that we pulled out in the very beginning? We're going to fill it right in this hole. So we're going to be using Valvoline 75W140 limited slip high point oil. You just take your little pouch and fill her up until it starts bleeding out the hole. And there you have it, it's full. Boom. Alright, so now we just replace our little cap. Boom, we are done. Now we'll let it sit overnight for this gasket to properly dry for 24 hours, and then we'll give it a test drive. Alright, so it's been 24 hours to let the gasket dry. I just took it for a spin, and there's no leaks. It's pretty cool, so we are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed.